Hi friends, one thing common between you and me is that we all want to grow in our life, and for our real growth we need to build a good communication with people to give a better influence, to influence people, to make them convince. You have to improve your communication skills. So what I am doing, daily practicing communication skills as well as English speaking skills. Daily practicing will improve our skills day by day. So what I am doing is practicing daily to improving my communication skill and my English speaking skills. So 10-minute daily practice will really help to get acquainted with the skills. Yes, after making video we can cross check what is going wrong, what has done, what are the improvements, what is something we need some more improvements, that we can check. So I have learned from mentors that when we are sharing something, we can share from stories. I have also seen Steve Jobs, one of the greatest mentor, who has given a very good speech, and when at that speech he has what he has to influence, what he has to deliver the content, which content you want to deliver, he has delivered in a story manner. He has narrated his own story and we got the message from him. So what we have learned from that we should go deep into our life and find the story in our life and narrate that story, and people will be benefited from it rather than saying some informations, because normally people do not like informations. If you just say that do this, do that, people don't like that. But if you speak that this happened to me and I have done that, that is the struggle, that is the problem, then I have given this type of efforts and that is the result I have got, then people like that. So we have to practice speaking skills, English communication skills, formal speaking skills in our own. When we are narrating that, when influencing that, we have to go deep in our life and pick that story. So so today I will tell two stories which may help to improve my skills of communication as well as my skill of influencing. That may be give some result if you will listen carefully. So I was a kid that those days I'm just in class 4, and that was the one day before the Independence Day, and my brother was I have one brother. My brother has already given some task by my teacher, that he has to give a speech for the Independence Day, and he is practicing from last 10 days. The last day, what happened? My teacher said, Ranjan, you should also give a speech, and as you have not practiced, you just make it simple, just write very simple thing and just give the speech. So I have got nervous because I don't prepare it at all, and I also do not have any skills of speaking with many people, because in school there may be more than 100 people which have to speak. But the day came, I have just hide somewhere to do not go to that place and not to speak in front of large people. But what my brother has did, he has found me and taken me to the speech area and told the teachers that he will also give the speech. So that is very difficult. At that time the mic was given to me and I am in the stage, and that time I feel it is very difficult when every people are watching me, and I feel very stressed. I feel huge fear and I don't know what I have to say. I just forget what small 2, 3, 4 lines I have written. So At that time I able to start just my one or two sentence, and then I start crying that I can't do it. I'm crying. I just can't do it. And my teacher said, okay, don't worry. You can just say Jai Hind, and because at that speech, my end line is Jai Hind. So then I managed to say Jai Hind. I'm totally crying, and I just managed to say Jai Hind, and then I left. And from that day, people laughed at me. People just make mock of me that I've done something wrong. I'm something wrong. But what I feel that why I'm telling the story, why I'm getting fearful stress, why I have got so many fear from that day of stage, that because my lack of preparedness, not lack of skill, not lack of natural talent. That's the one point people turn mistakes, that I don't have the natural skills. No natural skill is required. I don't have the preparedness. I do not prepare for it for more time that my brother did. My brother has given that speech to family, other people so many times repeatedly, and at those speech also he delivered the speech and got first position. So same thing happened in my career, in where I am working as an engineer, and I have to give presentation. And people also, I'm from a different culture, because my state was different. I'm from different culture. I am not able to communicate properly in Hindi because I'm not also that much acquainted with Hindi. So problem is not confidence in Hindi talking, and how can be I confidence in English talking, English language. So people are just mock at me, then start mocking that you will fail, you will not be able to express your presentation properly. But I just taken information from other public. I just prepare a presentation and then practice it, repeatedly practice it. I get some time. The more thing is important thing is I have got some time, more than 7 to 10 days. So I have got it prepared. I have mock it repeatedly. And at the time of presentation, confidence has come to me internally. That was not from externally. I'm just not showing confidence. I'm confident internally. I have not given any presentation before, but I am feeling that confidence internally. I have a smile in my face. More important, you should confident from inside, and you should have a smile from a face, and people will like that. Then I have delivered the speech with a very smart manner, and all people start clapping. So the two stories that was ended. One story I struggled badly, and one story I have get success. But the two thing in both things, one thing is there that bridges the gap is preparedness. So be prepared. That is a message. One message what my mentor has said to me, that you should speak so many stories in your content, but you should have one message. The one message which I want to narrate, that don't try to look confident. You cannot be look confident if you are nervous inside. So prepare for yourself. Give yourself time. That preparedness, that mocking, practicing, repeated practice, that practice which I am doing. I'm just not doing it for myself. I'm doing to inspire people that just prepare repeatedly, and time will come. You will be look confident. So daily practice will definitely daily practice improve. By daily practicing, we are improving our skills. By small improvement, we rise our confidence. Thanks for watching.